I'm back at it at my sister's in Sauk Village, Illinois. They have me in the kitchen. I don't want to hear y'all mouth, but I'm cleaning some chitlins for some people here in Chicago, and I'm worried that they're going to eat them with spaghetti. I can't stand that, but we're doing some chitlins. Just wanted to show y'all youngins, these new millennials. Some of y'all may not even know what a chitlin is. Got a 10-pound bucket here. Probably gonna get 1 pound of chitlins to cook. But I wanted to show y'all how you clean it real fast. Get a nice one. But this is all the little fat and stuff on there. So you gotta find a little part up in there. And I got these nails on. This is the first time I haven't peeled chitlins in so long. But you grab that little seam like that to separate it. See? Just had me thinking about my ancestors. I've been peeling chitlins since I was 5 years old. With my grandma and my mom in their kitchen. And my New Orleans kitchen. I miss my house. But it feels good to be cooking, getting to work. I have a big event to go to this weekend where they don't eat pork or seafood. So I'm going to bring something New Orleans style, not red beans and rice, but something. And definitely not no chitlins. Can't bring this to them. They've been and killed me. But yeah, see? And there you have it. Meat, dirty fat. There you go. Want to see how I got it? And this is how you know it's clean. But I soak them in some vinegar and water. I think a lot of people do that. Maybe a little baking soda sometimes what they do. But yeah, so there you go. It's all clean. And you put it in the pot. But this is the fat. You can see all that fat in there. See that? Yeah. And no, you can't smell it through the camera, so I don't want to hear nobody saying something about they can smell it. But there you go. So you get to another one. Some of them are easier than others, but this is what our people were fed. We had no choice but to eat the chitlins and the pig, you know, the hog intestines and the pig feet and the snouts and things, because the slave masters did not want that, so they gave it to us. And we made